The crisp morning air carries an unusual sound in the forest, a series of high-pitched shrieks and clicks. A family of velociraptors emerges from the brush, the young hatchlings chirping excitedly as they follow their parents on a hunt. The velociraptors have been extinct for over 65 million years. On April 18th, we celebrate National Velociraptor Awareness Day to honor these fascinating predatory dinosaurs that captured popular imagination. Velociraptors, meaning swift caesar in Latin, were feathered carnivores that lived in ancient Mongolia and thrived during the late Cretaceous period. They were made famous by Jurassic Park as highly intelligent pack hunters, though in reality they were likely solitary and somewhat smaller than depicted. Still, a full-grown velociraptor was a formidable predator, measuring up to 2 meters long from head to tail and armed with a sickle-shaped claw and sharp teeth. National Velociraptor Awareness Day was established in 2014 to promote interest in paleontology and raise awareness of these intriguing dinosaurs. While we may think of paleontology as a relic of the 19th century, it is an exciting field that is constantly evolving with new discoveries. Establishing special days to honor prehistoric creatures like the velociraptor helps to spark curiosities about the natural world in both adults and children. On this day, fans of velociraptors and dinosaurs in general take time to learn more about these intriguing predatory dinosaurs that dominated the ancient landscape. Some watch documentaries showcasing recent finds and theories about velociraptor behavior. Others visit national history museums to see velociraptor fossils and skeletons on display. Creative fans craft velociraptor costumes, artwork, toys, and even cakes to celebrate. The hashtag National Velociraptor Awareness Day is used on social media to share facts, photos, and to collect with other dino devotees. While the velociraptor roars no more, on National Velociraptor Awareness Day, we reflect on how these swift and clever hunters of prehistory continue to capture our imaginations and inspire a sense of wonder at what came before us. Though just an outline of bones remain, we keep these ancient creatures alive in memory through our scientific curiosity and childlike awe of dinosaurs. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Velociraptor Awareness Day. Cheers!